Okay, here's what I found on this CM 15 minutes, and I'm combining it with the UT bot. So basically, this is every couple days instead of waiting twice a month. So remember what I explained as like the smoke here? This is a momentum indicator. As soon as it changes, you have the new spike, and as soon as the momentum indicator changes from red, you get in, and you stay in until the UT bot tells you to get out. So the first opposite call, which would here be buy, you're out. And then let's look at this again. So, and then you don't get back in until you get a different color in the smoke. Okay, so even though you got out here, you don't get back in here. It's still red smoke. And you wait till it's an opposite color. So then, all right, turns green. You get in here, and then you get a UT bot telling you to get out here almost immediately, which is basically saving you money so it doesn't go the wrong way on you. And so you're looking, and there's no, you don't get back in double on the same one. I would have to wait till it's turned red. But all right, that's kind of a choppy example to go right into on the bat. So let's just go backwards. All right, my computer's running a little bit slow. I'm trying to grab this and pull it, and doesn't want to render that. Come on, computer. All right, come on. Let's go back to here. All right. So right here, the smoke changes color right here. You get in, and you hold until you get a green UT bot telling you to get out. So there's the green. Now the nice thing is that's a lot of money. Okay. So what is that? That is $390 going all the way down to basically $381. So that's a nice 3-time return. This is happening every 3 to 5 days. And so right here, the smoke changes to green, and you're protected because you get a sell, so you're out. All right. Smoke changes, but nothing really happened here. So all right, turns green here. You hold until you get this sell right here. So another 3 times return. This is about 5 times a month. So I like this. All right, right here, turns green. So you're holding until you get a sell right here, out. Okay. Let's keep going backwards. All right, right here, it turned red. You buy. You wait till you get an opposite call on the UT bot, which would be right here. That's another about 3 to 4 times. So I like this. So I think I'm going to stick with this. And at the same time, I'm still going to be doing the 45 minutes with the spike and the RSI and the DMI, which would be 1 to 2 times a month. But at least this helps me out that this is a little more common. So you can see, what are we in May here? So in May, we'll say it happened once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, about 4 to 5 times a month with this, which satisfies my gambling itch a little bit better. And I would be watching this full time. All right, thanks for watching.